Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm so excited to come to you with this unboxing. It is that time of year again. Can you believe it? 5 years now. My friend Rebecca and I have been doing #CraftOrTreat 2024. Super exciting. And she has contacted Dreamer Designs, and we are unboxing this product together. And so I will be unboxing this and doing this work during CraftOrTreat 2024. So this is Dreamer Designs, and we're going to dive in and see what is in this box for this event. Here we go. Inside here on the end of the box, they have a sticker that shows you what's in here. Now this one is called A Spooky Night. It's by Bridget Voth. She is one of their licensed artists. It is an 80 by 60 centimeter, which is a 31.5 inch by 23.6 inch. I'm going to be a busy little worker. As you can see here, the box has a little handle in case you want to store it back in the box and carry it around with you if you are moving around from room to room. It's kind of interesting down here at the bottom. It has E rated for everyone. For those of you who play video games, that's kind of fun. Also shows you how it works, both written and in photos, tells you what's in it. Has over here a redeeming code, what the features are of the painting. Here, it does come in a fabric bag with the purple tie up top. Has their logo, Dreamer Designs. Pull the canvas out. There's nothing else in the bag. It does have their purple tie, which they are known for. They are very environmentally conscientious, so they try to cut down on their plastics. That's why it's in the fabric bag. It does have a fabric backing, serged edges, so that if your canvas is being a little knotty, it wants to try to fray, it's going to stop right there. Now this particular has 71 colors. Let's see if my camera wants to focus. It's kind of like the new glasses I got. You know, I had to upgrade supposedly to progressives, and I feel like I downgraded. I was sitting there, everything was so blurry. I have to figure out how to use my glasses now. So 71 colors. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ABs here. So you're going to get a lot of extras. Let's open and see and pull the drills out. If you do want your drills, this is a round. If you want your drills separated, if you're storing, it says A Spooky Night right here. I'm going to open this up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, right there's a ghost. Woo-hoo-hoo, I'm coming to get you. And we got a pumpkin right there. And we got a kitty cat sitting there staring at us. Oh my goodness. So this design I feel like came out last year. Got two little kiddos going trick-or-treating. All right, so they give you a little how-to book, how to join the Dreamer Design community, tips and tricks, all the goods in here. And then here is your sticker book. So you can see all the symbols. You got some stickers here, your start and end date. This is what, let me hit the little camera so you can see. That is what the picture is. So we've got this purple house, the kitty cats, the trick-or-treaters. It's gonna be a lot of fun to do for this event. All right, Rebecca picked out some good stuff for us. Right in here, here's your other fabric bag with the purple tie again. I have to hit the camera again. Tonight my camera has decided it does not want to autofocus. So here is the toolkit. I do want to say, Dreamer, you should update your multi-placers. With their multi-placers, you've got a 7-placer and a 3-placer. You do get 2 pens. They give you a metal tip and a plastic tip, depending on what you prefer. And then this is what you can put your multi-placers on the other end. They do give you 2 squishies for your 2 pens. They do give you a nice large straightener to straighten out your drills. They do give you a divider for your tray. So if you want to do 2 different colors, you can put your divider in there for your tray. They do have a stopper on your tray. You do get some baggies. You get some sharp tweezers, and then you get 2 sets of wax. The intent was if you have a friend, you each could work on this together. So we're going to put this back because we're going to look at the canvas a little bit closer. We're going to look at the drill field. We're going to look at the drills themselves, and we're going to see where those special drills go. And if you're watching this in real time, we're going to have a kickoff this week for the event. If you're watching this a little bit delayed, go check out the kickoff because we're going to show lots of fun stuff on how to bling out your kits, all the fun sponsors, everything fun like that. Okay. So here are the drills. Crinkle, 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 crinkle. I could not work at the factory because I could never get the drills back in the packaging pretty. Okay, so we see right here these beautiful ABs. ABs stand for Aurora Borealis. They have like a shimmer to them that lights up the night right there. Okay, so $9.73, $7.92, and $7.42. So these are all in the pumpkin. The $9.73, which is this lighter color, is on the outside of the pumpkin right here. And same here. And then the N, you see where the N is kind of here around the cat. It's more of like an indigo for the shadow of the cat. And the check marks are around the top of the pumpkin. But I'm going to go over how I'm going to bling it out just a little bit more with some glitter drills, some glow-in-the-dark drills, different things like that. Above and beyond, but Dreamer does do a good job of giving you special drills included in the kit. All right. If you want to look up close, these drills are fabulous. There's no trash. They're sharp looking. Beautiful colors. Lots of fun. Let's see. And they actually do it, I believe, yes, they do it in the order, the DMC order. So if you're kitting up, it's a lot simpler to kit up, which some other companies do not do in the DMC order. Let's see what else we got here. Some nice rich, I was going to say this looks like nice rich greens. Got some browns. Some that comes off a little orange. It's like a pink, orange. Some reds and some blues. I'm just making a mess here. Making a mess, but that's okay. All right. Some of your browns. Here's your white AB. And so these they have as 08 and 37. I'm not sure why those aren't their normal colors. But the 08, I think, yep, those are up in the sky, which you can't reach much, but in the stars. And the little squiggle, which would be the 37, are here in the moon. That's this color here in the moon. And the 208s, ABs. And the 603 ABs. Let's see where the 208 would be descent sign. Let's see where the 208 is. So it's scattered throughout. Looks like up here in the sky. There's some here, barely up here, in the roof. And then the 603 is B. That's around here with the moon. And then the 605 is like the little ramp. That's around the white up here in the stars. And these are the last two of the ABs. So you got 666 and 741. So that would be, looks like down here in the pumpkins, they have the pumpkins as being more red than orange. So there's some red ABs through here. And then the little dashes are out here in the pumpkins. And then they have some dashes up here outside the moon. And some dashes here in the leaves. Yeah. So that is where some of the ABs are. You wanted to know as I continue to make my mess. We've got some pretty colors here. They didn't hold back on the colors for sure. For sure. This is the last little train. Train meaning all the colors are attached together. There you go. All right, so those are all the colors. Now, let's look at this canvas in a little bit more detail. It does have your key in the upper, or in the bottom left, and it has your key. It's so big, I have to kind of fold it, so forgive me. And then it has it in the upper right, and then all of their thumbnails are in the upper left with a spooky night and who it's by. And then we're going to get up close and personal. Here, I'm going to hit the camera again so you can see it is poured glue. It is round. So they have the guide circles, but they do it where they lighten the color so it creates the circle. You can see here, you can see it really clear, even in the dark area. I like how they don't actually have a circle, they just lighten the color of where it goes. All right, now I gotta hit my camera again. Whee! Thank you for giving me grace, or give the camera grace. There's those little kids. Look, he's in a little pumpkin outfit. He almost looks like a turtle. But he's in a pumpkin outfit. She must be in like a princess outfit. You've got your rest in peace. You got your tombstone. There's a little ghost back there. And then over here, you've got your house with your trick-or-treat pumpkin and your little cute witch coming on here. You got some little flowers down here and your purple house with your lights. This is really cute. It's called A Spooky Night. I'm excited to do it. I'm going to work on, you know, helping some of these stones pop, helping the trick-or-treater outfits pop. The black cats kind of pop a little bit. I'm going to use some metallics for the gates and the fence to make those pop. So I'm really excited about this canvas and seeing how to make it come alive. But also, Dreamer does a great job of giving you those special drills as well, so you really get to enjoy the process and the beautiful colors. So if you like round drills and you like Halloween and you want to join us in hashtag Craft or Treat, check them out. Also check out our other sponsors down below. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.